Welcome student, I am Rajdeep Acharya. In this series of this lecture, we are actually talking about transcription in prokaryote, and in this lecture we are going to talk about initiation part of transcription that occur in prokaryote. So let's get started. So you can see in this schematic diagram that it is actually RNA polymerase holoenzyme and it is actually the sigma factor, right? So in the first step, the RNA polymerase will attach with the sigma factor and they will form a RNA polymerase sigma factor complex. So basically in the first step, the main thing that occurred in the first step is the RNA polymerase sigma factor complex formation. So basically the RNA polymerase will attach with the sigma factor and they will form RNA polymerase sigma factor complex. And in the second step, in this schematic diagram you can see that it is actually a optimal promoter, and here you can see -35 sequence, and here you can see -10 sequence, and here you can see RNA polymerase along with the sigma factor that attach at -35 sequence. So it is clear to all of you that in the second step the RNA polymerase along with the sigma factor they will attach with -35 sequence of a optimal promoter. They will not attach with -10 sequence. So at first when the RNA polymerase along with the sigma factor they will attach with the promoter, they will choose the -35 sequence. They will not choose the whole promoter. So after the attachment of RNA polymerase along with the sigma factor to -35 sequence, which is actually TTGACA, after this attachment the RNA polymerase along with the sigma factor they will cover up the whole optimal promoter. That means -35 along with -10. So after this attachment the RNA polymerase along with the sigma factor they will cover the whole promoter and it will be termed as closed promoter complex, and in this state the DNA will be in double helix form. And in the third step the RNA polymerase will attach with -10 sequence more tightly. So in the third step you can see that it is actually the -10 region, which is actually TAT region. So in the third step the RNA polymerase along with the sigma factor they will attach with the -10 sequence more tightly, and in this state the DNA double helix will start to untwist. That means the DNA double helix at the -10 sequence they will open up. So the untwist form of promoter is called as open promoter complex, because in this state in the -10 region in the promoter, the -10 region, the DNA are going to open up from the twist condition. So now they are untwisted in this state. So at this point the RNA polymerase is correctly oriented to begin transcription at +10, I mean +1. So here it is actually +1, which is actually termed as start point of transcription. So after the open up the RNA polymerase is actually correctly oriented at +10 to start the transcription initiation. And basically in the fourth step, after the 8 to 9 nucleotide polymerized, the sigma factor dissociate from the RNA polymerase so that it will move forward independently. So that means after the formation of 8 to 9 nucleotide mRNA transcript, the sigma factor will dissociate with the RNA polymerase. So after the formation of RNA DNA hybrid, and basically the mRNA transcript will be 8 to 9 nucleotide, basically the sigma factor will release from the RNA polymerase so that it will move and it will complete the whole transcription process independently. And now we'll talk about the important question, that is what is actually transcription bubble. So basically the transcription takes place within a transcription bubble. The transcription bubble represents the region of DNA duplex being transcribed in which two strands are being separated from each other. The transcription bubble forms when the closed binary complex convert into open binary complex, or you can say closed promoter complex convert into open promoter complex. And basically the length of the transcription bubble is actually 12 to 14 base pair. So here you can see that in this schematic diagram that it is actually a open promoter complex that was and the before it was actually a closed promoter complex, and now it is converted into open promoter complex, and here the RNA transcript is being transcribed, and it is actually the sigma factor, it is the RNA polymerase, right? So this is actually a schematic diagram of transcription bubble. And thank you so much for watching this lecture till this end, and we provide online and also offline coaching classes, and also we provide notes for those students who take coaching from us, and also these are the respective classes and these are the subject and these are the fee structure. And if you want to take coaching from us, if you are interested, then you can communicate with us. We will help you to get a good marks. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Subscribe this channel and also like this lecture. Thank you so much.